Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please help me to subscribe. So in this video we want to eat our delicious food. This is the egusi soup. This is scent leaf and turkey berry egusi soup, okay, and amaranth vegetable. This is my fufu, Nigerian fufu. Okay, so we are going to eat this delicious food. Subscribe. Watch out how we prepare this soup. It's on my YouTube channel. And this is fufu. Watch out how we prepare this fufu. It's on my YouTube channel. So we are going to eat. This is 6 to 6. Okay, Nigerian fufu.
Yes, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. As you could see, it's just us here. The kids
Yes,
are
sir.
sleeping. So this is 6 to 6. Akun, okay? This is the Nigeria fufu. The process, how we prepared it, they are all on YouTube channel. From cassava to the dough, from the dough to this form. This egusi is amaranth leaf with scent leaf
Turkey
and
berry.
turkey berry. Please, viewers, you are invited.
You are invited though. This soup.
It's possible the kids can join us if they wake up. Mm. Wow. Mm. It looks like is this like shawarma? The way it's being molded. Oh. Mm. This is so delicious.
Delicious. Oh.
When the kids wake up, their own is inside. Mm.
The fufu. The fufu is
The
like
texture,
pounded yam.
the texture of the fufu is fantabulous. Press the notification bell to all.
The stuffed fish.
Mm. Mm. The stockfish the taste. So viewers, as you could see, this is what we are eating. This is our akpu, our 6 to 6 Nigerian fufu, and this is our egusi with amaranth leaf. In Yoruba they call it efo tete. In Ghana they call it alefu with scent leaf and
turkey
berry. In Yoruba they call turkey berry sokopeye. So that is what that soup is made of. Wow, this is yummy.
Yummy.
Mm. 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 The stockfish, the taste does not have part 2.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please help us to subscribe, like, share.
For more videos.
Press the notification bell to all.
Watch out for our previous video how we prepare this soup, and the fufu is on my YouTube channel.
Don't forget to like and share. Give us thumbs up. Bye bye.
Mwah.
See you in our next video. Bye. Mwah.